Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a picture or a video to your friends on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select your friend to whom you would like to send a picture or a video. Then click on the plus icon down below in the left side corner in order to choose a video or a photo from your gallery. Click on it, and then you can either click on the button edit in order to cut it, add stickers. Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a GIF. If you go back, you have the chance to send it the way it is by clicking on the button send. As you can see, it will be sent in a second. And if you want to send a picture, all you have to do, or if you want to take a picture with your phone on the Messenger application and then send it to your friends, all you have to do is clicking on the camera icon down below, which is the second option, and then take a picture by clicking on this button down below. Tap on the button send if you are done with editing it, if you want to. As you can see at the top, you have many options. You can draw, add text, stickers, cut it, and so on. So tap on the send button down below. You have the chance to save this picture to your camera roll, and as you can see, it has been sent to your friend. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.